Welcome to this month's newsletter. Today is June 30th or July 1st rather. Looking at the Nifty here, nothing of significance. We are moving sideways. That's what we had said last month. In a consolidation phase here. Notice the Chicago is caught in this congestion zone. So until we break above these highs of 10,900, we are stuck in this range. At this point, the bulls are still in control because if you look at the weekly charts, we are nicely bullish. We do have a flat Kijun here on the weeklies, which is attracting prices, and also note that we still have a few more weeks before which the Chicago can break free of this congestion. So that's what I would expect is another couple of weeks. If something's going to happen on the bullish side, it could happen then. Some of the stocks people have asked me about here, Bharti Airtel. We'll just go through those. Okay, let's see. Where was Bharti Airtel? Okay, here we go. Nothing there yet. It's bearish below the Kumo. Chicago caught in a congestion zone, so at this point I would not be a buyer of this stock. If it goes back below 350, then that would indicate more downside for this stock. But as far as going long at this point, there's nothing there until they break the Kumo. Bhale. Nothing there yet either. Did form a kicker type of a signal. We could potentially come up to test the Kijun here because that is a long way off, and the Kijun still has another few days before it starts dropping down. So if you want to play it short term, then it's you really need to be nimble at this point. There's nothing here that says that it's turned on the long term side. It could do another failure like it did back here. So Bata India. This one is a good bullish stock, nicely above the Kijun. Good, I'm sure it's good on the weekly too. We can look at it. Nice on the weekly, good on the daily. So I wouldn't be afraid to buy this one on strength. Hindustan Unilever. Also another good stock. Obviously the point to buy was back down here, but again you can buy this one too with a stop below the Kijun. It is a bullish stock. Infosys, also a bullish stock, I guess, given the strength of the dollar versus the rupee. We continue to hold this stock. I don't know if I'll be necessarily a buyer so far from the Kijun, but if it consolidates, this could be a stock to look at to buy more. TCS, this one also is a bullish stock. I wouldn't be afraid to buy it above 18, these highs of 1875. Anything above that or close above that would tell me that the bulls are still in control and continue to take this higher. Strong Kumo to back it up. So again, if you hold this, you can continue to hold. And Bharat Finance. This one is also a bullish stock. It's over the Kumo. Looking at the weekly, should also be bullish. Did form a shooting star here after so many dojis. It is stretched out from the Kumo, so wouldn't be surprised to see consolidation. So I would not be afraid to buy it above these highs. That will tell me that the shooting star is negated at that point on the weekly. Same thing on the daily. You do want to see it only. You want to buy it only about these highs of 1204 or 5. So any point about that would tell me that the bulls are still in here. You don't want to buy it at this point with the Chicago in congestion zone. So that will be it. I still haven't decided on the membership yet. Still trying to figure out the price. People have asked me to lower the price of the membership, so I'm thinking about it. But it's probably not going to happen in August. It will be sometime later. That'll be it.